episode of Rose and Gold. I'm your host, IK, and this is my lovely co-host, Dr. Ross.
Ata ya.
Ya mom. But today we're going to get into our hot topics, starting it off with the She's Hot contest.
Starting off with our She's Hot contest.
Our
Lead off,
winner,
IK.
our winner is a Swedish model. Her name is Anna Nyström. Now, Anna Nyström is a Swedish fitness model and a social media personality. She also has over 6 million followers on Instagram.
Hopefully she runs into Kanye and he confuses her for Kim.
Exactly. You know what, Dr. Ross? That leads us right into our next hot topic with Kanye West.
Bumaklat. Akata. Cotton. Picker.
That's all Kanye is. No offense. But for
Right.
Kanye West, we just want to give you a few pieces of advice from IK.
Can you believe that?
And before we get into the rules from IK's book, Kanye, Kim is beautiful. Kim is a billionaire. Kim has mansions all over the world. Kim has been in the streets and out of them. Continue, IK, with your rules.
Like it's hot, drop it like it's hot.
Number 1, Kanye. You cannot take a car into the bedroom. Number 2, you gotta beat the brakes off of Kim.
Why'd you give me gloves?
To catch these hands. What?
Because you gotta be asking her, make me some pancakes. And if she replies, we don't have any pancake mix, tell her go get some biscuit, get some cornbread mix. Because if you're not, we all know Pete's not that guy, but Pete will become the guy. So
That's right.
Kanye, you gotta take these two rules of advice.
That's right. And Kanye, Kim has something extra special for you the next time you come around their house. She has upgraded all the security to 24 hours, extra cameras and everything. So the next time that you bring your truck around that says God has a plan, they're going to be running outside, throwing rocks at you.
And who
by
knows?
they, I mean the kids running behind your car with Pete and Kim all behind there saying, "Fuck that nigga out! Fuck him out!"
They
While
might
Kim's
even-
throwing the rocks at you.
You know, Dr. Ross, they might even pull out a shotgun on Kanye West.
Bust the window out through the back. So Kanye, my best advice for you, because obviously you're not following IK's 2 rules, is go to the nearest paint shop and paint that truck a different color so you can stay as safe as possible.
Yeah, boy.
And this last tip is from Dr. Ross, myself, for Kanye. Kanye, the last option that you have is to go steal a girl from home. I mean, a girl that has never been out in the streets. Kim was a woman. Steal an innocent girl that's never done anything.
And Dr. Ross, to rebuttal on that, we're not talking about Michael Jackson. Don't go after
Exactly.
kids.
But let me finish this rule, Kanye. Kanye, you need to steal a girl from home, but while she is at school, go to her parents and give them a donkey, a cow, a horse, a mule, and some chickens, and $5 million. And they will hand her right to you and say they'll hold her until she's 18.
Hey, yo, what the fuck?
That's the only other option you have, Kanye, because Kim is a woman. She's been around the block. She was doing things before you got there, Kanye. So you need to stop picking girls that are like Kim. Amber Rose, who she's infamous for doing the slut walk now. That just tells you the type of person she is. But Kim has been married, we don't know how many times, as many times as Elizabeth Taylor. But let's close off these hot topics, IK, because Kanye takes up the whole damn hot topics.
Exactly. You know, we are going to give some airplay to Miss Holly Berry. Miss Holly Berry was on the AARP magazine, and she was also in the recent movie Moonfall.
AA?
We haven't watched it yet, but keep on doing you, Miss Holly Berry. And also, Sydney Poitier.
A player.
Exactly. Player status. But these were all of our hot topics for today, and we'll see you guys on the next episode of Rose and Gold. And by the way, Kanye, I'm only 15. But Kim, that's for you. I'm coming for you, Kim, and Kylie Jenner.
We love LA.
We love it.
Exactly.